Hello friends, I am Santosh Bode. After a long time I am again coming on YouTube to deliver a video for you. Recently I have received a lot of requests from students and youngsters that why one should get into Autonomous Institute, what are the benefits they'll have. So friends, I will try to explain you what kind of benefits you will have personally, professionally when you enter an Autonomous Institute. Looking at current market situation and the kind of skills industry is expecting from you as an youngster, there is a drastic change from the kind of conventional skills the industry used to expect from you and the kind of skills the future demands. With a conventional university affiliated system, such demands may not be fulfilled and changing the syllabus that easily will not be possible. With autonomy, institutes will have a luxury of designing their own curriculum. They can sit with the industry, they can discuss the problem statements, they can see what is going to be relevant for next 5 years and 10 years. Based on that, they can offer a curriculum which will be more relevant to the industry demands. Number two, I believe to become more employable, to gain that confidence to operate in the market, internship becomes a very important and vital aspect, which may not be a possibility with a conventional educational system. In autonomy, an institute can take a decision of releasing their candidate at least for 6 months on the field. 6 months of internship with any company or an NGO is going to be a huge catalyst for a candidate to become better version of himself and in turn would become a good employee for any organization. In a conventional system, if you think about taking a credit from a foreign university alongside the place where you are learning is not a possibility. In autonomous system, institute can join hands with certain foreign universities on some diversified areas of interest and student could be released for certain point of time for a few number of months to the partnering institute which may be located abroad. Thus, the students can have a global exposure. At the same time, he will be more fearless to operate in the global market. There are many things like including foreign language as a compulsory subject. I think the bottom line of entering into autonomy could be the passion a candidate carries with him. Generally, he loses on that passion when he enters in a conventional system. But with autonomy, he can live with the passion and can get the appreciation in terms of a credit offered by the institute. So friends, I think for today this much I will be covering. If you have any more questions, you can write back to me so that I'll come with my next video. Thank you very much.